Hi, welcome to Health Guide for You. If you're a new couple thinking about birth control, you're not alone. Choosing the right method can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate your options and pick what works best for you. Let's dive in. At first, we need to understand why birth control is important. Birth control isn't just about preventing pregnancy, it's about giving you control over your future. Whether you're not ready for children yet or want to space out pregnancies, it's key to a healthy relationship and peace of mind. Let's talk about types of birth control. Number 1. Barrier methods. These include condoms, both male and female. They're simple to use, easily available, and protect against sexually transmitted infections. A great first option for new couples. Number 2. Hormonal methods. Like pills are very effective when taken daily. Other options include patches, vaginal rings, and injections for those who want a more hands-off approach. Number 3. Long-term methods. Looking for something more long-term? Intrauterine device and implants are great choices. They're highly effective and last 4 years. Number 4. Emergency contraceptives. Forgot to use protection? Emergency contraceptives, or morning-after pills, can be taken within 72 hours of unprotected sex. But remember, they're not for regular use. Number 5. Natural methods. There are natural methods, like tracking your fertility. While hormone-free, they're less reliable and need careful monitoring. How to choose the right method? Choosing the right method depends on your health, lifestyle, and goals. For example, if you have irregular periods, pills might help. If you want something low maintenance, consider an intrauterine device or implant. Always consult a doctor to find what's best for you. Here are a few tips. Number 1. Talk openly with your partner about your plans. Number 2. Combine methods, like using condoms with hormonal pills for extra protection. Number 3. Regular checkups with your doctor ensure everything's on track. Birth control is a personal decision, but with the right information, you can make the best choice for your relationship. Remember, this is about your health and happiness as a couple. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.